What is up, guys? Welcome to the first vlog or the first YouTube video of 2024. 2023 is now behind us. It's a new year, new beginnings, and a bunch of new blessings, successes, ups and downs, but I hope you guys are gonna have a great year. Speaking of new beginnings, we are here with the Delsol, and we literally removed the AC system out of the Delsol in the last video. I will put a card somewhere here on the screen so you guys can tap it. If you guys missed that video, go back and watch that one, and then you can come back and watch this one. But yes, we took out the AC. Now we have so much space here for future stuff like turbos, superchargers, whatever it is. We got the extra space. Now I know that the engine bay is pretty damn dirty, guys. Like, you can see all this dirt and stuff and the rusty bolts and stuff like that, but don't worry, I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay, not in this video but in our own separate video, or probably off camera. I'll be spraying this down and cleaning the engine bay, and we're going to be getting some new like OEM bolts to get rid of these rusty ones, so that the engine bay just looks that much cleaner. Enough about the engine bay of the car. What we are focusing on in this video is the interior of the car. So as you can tell in here, you got your seats and whatever, but one thing I want to do is take this whole like centerpiece off out of the Delsol and search under there and just clean out in here as well. Maybe even take out both seats, maybe even pull back the carpet, just to see how the underneath looks, and then clean out under there if I have to. If you guys watched the last YouTube video, you guys would know that I'm just trying to get this car nice and clean, just prepped and ready, so that in the summer we can get going to like putting some mods in, some installations and stuff like that. We can really get going with this car. So that's pretty much what I'm doing throughout the winter, is just going through with this car and just cleaning up any small little things like that. So we're definitely going to be taking this off. We're going to see what's under here, underneath the shift boot, because I can only imagine how much gunk is under this thing. This video might not be exciting to a lot of people, but hey, if you guys are cool with just sitting back and cleaning out the Delsol and just exploring inside of it, then hey, stick around, and I appreciate it. But yeah, this is pretty much going to be the video, guys. We're just going to be looking through the Delsol. Okay, so starting off, what we got to do first is obviously take off that bolt there, and then on this side there's another bolt right there, and some along the side here that we have to remove and take out, and then this whole centerpiece should just come right out. So let's start with that first and move on. And as I thought, guys, check this out. What in the world, bro? Like, there's even an iPhone like chip remover in here. Like, how? I am so glad that I removed this centerpiece, because like I said, I knew that there was like some gunk and just trash under here. And here's our engine harness. As you can tell, if we follow this, it goes up into the engine bay, so good to know that that's right here. I could order a wire tuck type of harness so that we can tuck in. It just makes the engine bay look prettier. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comment down below. Should I do a wire tuck or should I just leave it as is? Because at the end of the day, this is a D series, so I don't know, but you guys let me know in the comments down below. So one thing I do know, and I knew this ever since I bought the car, is that it came with a short shifter. Like, you can tell, like, these are some pretty short throws, so definitely a short shifter in here. I might add my own, but I mean, that's probably later on. For now, this will work. So there's like a cigarette lighter thing here, and I'm pretty sure he wired it all the way to this thing right here, if it'll pick up. I guess wired this type S thing onto it to get, I guess, more slots, but I don't think I'm going to be needing this, but I mean, it's pretty cool to see. Focus on just cleaning this out, because this looks absolutely disgusting. And look at this, there's like a cigarette butt in here. That is so gross. But anyway, let's get to vacuuming this thing. Guys, look at this. Just took out both seats. Oh my goodness, look how much stuff was just up in here. Let's go ahead and get this out because this is disgusting. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cleaned out all the carpet. We vacuumed, cleaned both driver's side and passenger side, so it looks a lot better in here. Probably going to degrease that area right in the middle here. For the most part, it looks good, it smells really good in here, and I couldn't be happier. So glad that we got all that junk and garbage just out of this car. Check it out, I actually degreased this a little, so it looks a lot better than how it did before. Still need to hit it a little bit more, but for the most part, it looks a lot better. But anyway guys, I'm super happy with how this thing came out. It looks so much better in here, so much cleaner. I might leave all the centerpieces off for now until I decide what I want to do with this thing and with the carpet. Okay, so it's officially, guys, the next day. I actually took a break because it got dark out super fast, so we had to call it a day. But continuing from where we left off, we went ahead and cleaned the whole carpet with the carpet cleaner and stuff like that, and obviously vacuumed it out and made it all nice and fresh. So it definitely looks a lot better in here. That's where we left off. Now it's on to the next step, which is to clean the dashboard, the doors, and of course over back here, because you could see just how dusty and dirty and just disgusting it is here. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the dash, the steering wheel, the two doors. And to do that, to clean the interior pieces, we're gonna be using, of course, the Chemical Guys Nonsense Invisible. I heard super good things about this thing. It's all pretty much a super all-purpose cleaner. You can use this thing for pretty much anything and it works, and it has no scent or anything like that. It's just a colorless, as you can tell here, colorless, odorless type of product. So we're definitely going to be using it to clean the interior panels today. Also got a little detailing brush here because we're going to use this to obviously get into those nooks and crannies of the car and overall just get a better detailing job. Before we go ahead and use that detailing thing, we're going to go ahead and just wipe down the car first because there's some little dust and speckles in there. So I'm going to use this first just to wipe it down, and then we'll go ahead and detail this thing. This is going to be a long process, but whatever, we'll jump time skip if we can, but I definitely want to get everything, so let's just jump straight into it. One quick tip: when you guys are detailing inside your guys' car, do not just take the cleaner and just spray onto panels. Use it and spray it onto a microfiber towel, or spray it into the brush like this and then spray it, and then go ahead and start detailing. That way it's not spraying and getting mist all over places that it shouldn't. Just remember that. Okay, so hold on guys, I have to just stop it right here real quick because look, this is the untreated, right? We haven't done this, we only done the dash, and look at the gloss and the shimmer on it. Oh my goodness, like you could see the difference. It used to look like that. The dash used to look like that, and look at the contrast between the two. You can see this is so much more darker and just nicer. But we still got work to do, so let's go ahead and knock out all the rest of this car. Alright guys, so check it out. We just finished cleaning everything and look at that. Glossy, super nice in here guys. Like, Inside's clean. It came out super well though, guys, like crazy. Did the steering wheel, did everything, the cluster, super good. I totally recommend this. The all-purpose, whatever it is, a super clean, Chemical Guy super clean. Definitely recommend it, guys. It's super nice. It does take a long time to do it with the whole detailing brush, but it gets everywhere. It gets every little piece of nook and cranny, and the car just looks amazing, and also it smells very good in here. Honestly, shout out to detailing guys, because this stuff is not easy. It actually takes a long time to like really get everything and just like overall clean a car. I don't know if I could even do this for a living, like just detailing cars like this and then washing the outside, buffing, you know, ceramic coating, doing all that stuff. So like multiple cars a day. That's crazy. Huge respect to you guys, because it's definitely not as easy as people think it is. Next up is to clean these seats. As you can tell, they're kind of stained. They look terrible right now. They need to be freshened up and cleaned. We're gonna get to that. And of course the back is like this like leather type of feeling, so we can use the leather cleaner or even that same purpose cleaner to clean the back of these. And then I have some leather restorer that will freshen these up. But for the most part, for the cloth little part here, we're gonna use this Delsol like stain odor remover type of thing. We're gonna spray it, cover it all in this, and then we're gonna use the brush, brush it out, and yeah, then we should be good. Here is the finished seat compared to the unfinished seat. Wait, look at that. You can tell the difference. It's huge. Now, before some of you flame me, yes, I have one of these. I'm not using it yet because this car is going back to the body shop. After it comes back from the body shop, we'll use this, because more than likely this car is going to get completely dirty again, especially on the inside and outside. So might as well wait until that's done, and then I'll hit it with that after. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other seat, the driver's side seat, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish like sanding and putting the anti-rust paste over those rails. I'm gonna do that, and then we'll just skip right over to just throwing these seats inside the car, and then we'll see the finished look, or somewhat finished look. Check out these seats though, guys. It looks absolutely beautiful, so clean. The back is nice and cleaned out. It looks amazing. Let's throw this inside the car. Alright guys, that's pretty much how it looks. Everything is back in. Interior, nice and fully detailed. Everything's clean, everything's mint. The seats are clean, no more stains, no more disgustingness. All the filth that was under the center console was cleaned out, vacuumed out, degreased, and nice and clean. And now the interior is fresh. Just so you know guys, I didn't fully button all this centerpiece up. I'm just leaving it loose right now because I do want to change the shift knob and the shift boot. So once that time comes, then I'm just gonna rip this back out and replace that. And it's kind of hard to see because it's dark out right now, but it's all clean from front to back. Everything on the interior has been touched and cleaned. And honestly guys, I couldn't be any happier with how this thing turned out. Look at out here guys, it is completely dark out, and yeah, it's only like what, 6? Anyway though guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. If you guys are super excited and super pumped about the Delsol and the progress and the prep work and everything, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button guys. Maybe the next video that you guys might see is the engine bay. We might actually just go ahead and do the engine bay cleaning, because I think that's the only thing left. I did clean the trunk also, I just didn't film that because it's repetitively the same thing. Other than that though guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, have a great 2024, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.